Hi there, I'm Beau from Boutique Realty and today I'm at 24 Nathan Street in East Ipswich. I'm going to take you through this gorgeous post-war home. It has been fully painted and renovated, ready for sale. So as you can see outside, massive double carport and a single garage behind it. Fenced backyard. I can hear somebody's mowing their lawn, which is always a good sign. All right. So as we go inside, it's got a lovely entrance here, and then this takes you into the living area. It's air conditioned, ceiling fans, you can see decorative cornicing and what I call horsehair plaster. Gorgeous windows with stained glass. They're all in perfect condition, which is rare to find. This is one of the bedrooms, again with air conditioning. Beautiful featured cornices. I think you can see, looks like a ribbon bow. Ceiling fans are brand new, and then beautiful timber floor right through. Bedroom number 2, this would be the biggest room. 2 windows, again, feature cornicing. Okay, I'll show you the 3rd bedroom. This one is also air conditioned, so you've got an air conditioning in the lounge and 2 of the bedrooms. They're Mitsubishi aircon, again decorative ceilings and beautiful wide timber boards. Okay, so we have a renovated bathroom. See beautiful gold finishings, floating cabinetry. Now your shower with rainwater head. You will see that there isn't a screen at the moment, but I will say it has been ordered and it does come with the property. It's just a matter of getting the trades on time at the moment. So here is your kitchen, brand new dishwasher. There's original cabinets at the top, so keeping with the age of the property. Okay, and as we step down, we are heading into the laundry. Got electric hot water. Little alcove here. Probably perfect for push bikes and so forth. There is a second toilet, or the outhouse, I think they call that. And then gorgeous backyard. It is starting to rain, so you'll excuse me while I quickly zoom through the backyard. There's some fruit trees. I think I saw lime there the other day, and I think this is a mango tree. I'm not much of a gardener, but I do know that this garden would have some fruits for you. Water tank. Now, if you can have a look down there, there is actually a side gate, and so there is plenty of room for a car to come all the way down that side, and if you wanted to put a garage into the backyard, it's an excellent size yard. You will see the old shed here. I'll pop it down in there for you, have a look. A little bit of rubbish still in there, just ignore that, we'll get rid of that. But yeah, it goes all the way back, so it's got some old work benches and everything that will stay, and a little garage door there, so might be perfect little workshop for someone. Lovely, so I'm really excited to show you this house. It has had, as I said, a full repaint inside and out. It's air conditioned, it's had new ceiling fans, it is ready to move into. So whether you're buying it as your new home or buying it as an investment property, it will sell very quickly, and I look forward to seeing you either at our open home, or feel free to contact me on 04 11 439 437. We will be selling this one via Market Buy, so I can send you a link if you just contact me as soon as you can. Talk soon.